Entertainment Tonight and The Insider in high definition.
Here in Hollywood, the stars are always looking for cutting-edge ways to turn back the hands of time. Well, now we count down the top 5 trends in cosmetic surgery, starting with those little beams of light that are zapping out the wrinkles. Number 5 on the list, it's the laser. Dr. Rebecca Fitzgerald says lasers can lop years off your look. The beams of light diminish brown spots, acne scars, and wrinkles, and erase pesky red vessels.
The most common patient is someone in their 30s and 40s and 50s who just wants to look a little more well-rested, just look good for their age, not necessarily look 15 years younger.
I think I look a lot younger, and I think the amazing thing about it is that when I ran into people that I haven't seen in a while, they didn't know if I did anything, but they knew something was different about me.
But a laser can't fix a nose. That's plastic surgery trend number 4. Vienna Girardi, the Bachelor winner who never got to the altar with Jake Pavelka, got surgery for a new nose just last week.
It's just for my own self-image. I'm not doing it for anyone else.
Hollywood stars have not shied away from this procedure. Cameron Diaz sought it out after a surfing accident. She said her shattered nose made breathing difficult. Jennifer Aniston says hers was to repair a deviated septum, telling People magazine in 2007 that it was the best thing she ever did and could now sleep like a baby.
When patients have nasal surgery or nose job, often they do have problems with breathing, and it is a real concern.
But Dr. Stuart Linder, a Beverly Hills plastic surgeon who did not work on Jennifer or Cameron, says rhinoplasty also has a cosmetic purpose.
The cosmetic is you want your nose to look better, to look more proportionate for your face.
In 2006, Ashley Simpson's nose looked noticeably different, and Ashley Tisdale admits to undergoing the surgery in 2007.
I am Jennifer Grey, the actress.
And Jennifer Grey's new look from her nose job caused such a reaction that she spoofed it on her sitcom, It's Like You Know, on which she played herself.
Nose job! It doesn't make any sense. It's like I joined a witness protection program, and no one told me.
Typically, a nose job will set you back anywhere between $6,000 and $12,000. All right, stick around as we continue our plastic surgery countdown. We will show you how Botox and fillers are changing the face of Hollywood. Kim Kardashian and Simon Cowell have done it. Megan Fox says, nope, she won't touch the stuff. We are talking about the most popular weapon in fighting aging, going under the needle with those injectables. It is number 3 in our plastic surgery countdown.
You ready, Kim?
Ready as I'll ever be.
September 2010, Kim Kardashian gets Botox for all the world to see.
This is disgusting. I hate needles.
With sister Khloe watching and cameras rolling for Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kim has nothing to hide.
You want to get plastic surgery for yourself, go for it. But you should be happy with yourself and not want to change yourself for anyone but yourself.
Another who has used Botox, as told to RealHealthMagazine.com, Vanessa Williams.
I had heard about Botox prior to me turning 40 and didn't necessarily think I needed any kind of transformation, but I wanted to maintain the way I looked.
Men are having it too, including Simon Cowell, who took quite a ribbing on Piers Morgan life stories.
How have you kept a straight face, Simon? Actually, I know how you kept a straight face.
Reportedly, Patrick Dempsey tried it. Donny Osmond, too.
I tried Botox one time, and I'll never do it again. I smiled that Osmond smile. I went...
That ultra-smooth effect of Botox has turned off others who have tried it, such as Nicole Kidman. Megan Fox posted some pics on Facebook with the comment, quote, "Things you can't do with your face when you have Botox." Other hot Hollywood injectables are synthetic fillers, such as Restylane, Juvederm, and Sculptra, used to pump up and plump up your skin.
Injectables that are reversible and that usually have to be redone in 4 to 5 months.
A patient's face gets marked up. Then, in this case, comes the needle with Sculptra that will add volume.
The most common patient is someone in their 30s and 40s and 50s who just wants to look a little more well-rested.
Jessica Simpson has admitted to trying Restylane, often used to temporarily augment the lips. Lisa Rinna tried lip augmentation in the 80s, but hers was permanent.
Here, get a close look at those stitches.
Reversing the process was a painful one and also on camera. She had it filmed for her reality show, Harry Loves Lisa.
I'm really excited to get back to that place of what I really look like.
One advantage to fillers and Botox, however, the procedures are not permanent.
God forbid you're unhappy, it's going to be reversible, and you can go on living your life.
And you don't have to break the bank with Botox. Taking care of crow's feet alone is $300 to $400. All right, coming up next, the top 2 spots in our plastic surgery countdown.
When you're talking about plastic surgery, the facelift can give you the most dramatic return to a youthful look, but it often comes with a long road to recovery. So now landing in the number 2 spot on our plastic surgery countdown, we reveal a new procedure that will have stars going from the operating room to the red carpet in record time.
At number 2, revolutionary new facelift procedures. The ultimate nip tuck. It is the one procedure that can take years off your looks with a few weeks of recovery.
All right, you want to have a look?
Sure.
Barry Lynn has worked for Entertainment Tonight for 24 years, but as she was nearing 57, there was something more she wanted.
Everything's great, but I just need a little nip and tuck for me. I'm doing it for me.
So she went to Dr. Gregory Miller in Beverly Hills, whose iGuide technology makes sutures under the skin, cutting the recovery time from weeks to about 10 days.
iGuide allows short recovery times. Many patients can have procedures under local anesthesia alone.
Barry Lynn joins a growing list of Hollywood stars who openly admit to choosing the facelift to shave off a few years, including Janice Dickinson, Jane Fonda, and more recently, Kris Jenner, who was brought to tears before her procedure on an upcoming episode of E's Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
We love you. I love you, Mom.
Love you all. See you all later.
Kris's facelift is to prep for daughter Kim Kardashian's upcoming wedding.
Mom, you look so fab. It looks gorgeous.
But a new, even less invasive trend has emerged, the stem cell facelift.
I don't want to go the normal route of plastic surgery, being cut and sewed up.
Mary Ling, mother of TV journalist Lisa, chose Beverly Hills-based cosmetic surgeon Dr. Nathan Newman.
We want to go over here and fill in under your eyes, fill in the cheek area. It takes your stem cells found in your fat tissue and uses the power of the stem cells to regenerate and rejuvenate the tissues in your body.
I think I'm going to be so happy. I think I'm going to look at least 10 years younger.
Just 2 days later, and the swelling is gone, the differences are striking. The cost, around $9,000. But stem cells aren't being considered for just facelifts. The number 1 plastic surgery trend, breast implants.
It's a surgery that women really want to do, and it's a very high demand operation.
Tara Reeve, Heidi Montag, and Pamela Anderson have each enhanced their curves.
I did have I had breast implants.
The cost, if we're just doing straight silicone gel, is anywhere between $8,000 and $12,000.
And remember those stem cells? Well, look for the next big trend to be stem cell breast enhancement, making implants a thing of the past. Dr. Linder explains the research is still in its infancy.
But at this stage, it's too early to tell whether we are jeopardizing a woman's health by injecting these stem cells into the breast, which could, again, lead to inability to diagnose cancer.
Well, the unofficial poster girl for plastic surgery, Joan Rivers, has said she wishes she had a twin so she could know what she would look like without plastic surgery. And I think that's something a lot of people would pay to see.